Here's a 65 Mustang fastback that sure is easy on the eyes. What a beautiful car. 842 miles on a ground up restoration. Very meticulously done. I bought this car down south from the gentleman that restored it. And air conditioned, a little performance built 289, automatic, just a nice car to go cruising on a Sunday. You're going to turn heads. You're going to get lots of these. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find price tags on 200 classic cars for sale. Each one has a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified when these videos are posted. So the fit and finish is better than what Henry Ford was doing back in 1965. Excellent hood, does have a scoop on it, but this is absolutely straight, square, no issues, laser beam straight. I don't even see the door gap, it's so nice and tight. Look at this, right on the money, smooth, straight, no issues, no rust, no bubbles, no bodywork showing. I bet I can do it even lighter than that. Oh yeah, that's nice. The roof is excellent. You have these cool louvers and the quarters right here. All this is absolutely excellent bodywork. Straight, square, flush. All the adjectives I use to describe a really good one apply to this car. And just look at the style. Just look at that fastback look. No wonder these are so popular. I like how the quarter panel kind of jumps up like that, and you have the details in the side. But anyway, getting back to its condition, it's pristine. Real nice. Excellent, excellent. A little bit of shrinkage right here. I see a little something I'm sure would wet sand out, but a little bumpiness right there. All this is excellent. The bright red paint is polished like glass. Stripes are painted on, smooth to the touch, and they go completely over and down the tail panel, through the bottom here, through the valance. So they did the white stripes all the way. All the chrome, the trim, the running horse, all this looks like new. 289 V8 emblem, side emblems, and correct antenna, dual mirrors, all of it's sparkling. All the glass is very good. It has, very mild imperfections, but real nice glass. All the trim, the stainless looks new. It's all polished up nice and bright. All this is shiny, new door handles, new fuzzy strips, new rubber. Modern version of the GT wheel. I love that. They're billet 17-inch wheels. Looks just like the GT wheels, but a modern spin on it. BF Goodrich G-Force Performance tires. Gas cap, chrome tail lights, all this is shiny. Has the GT tips coming right through the valance with the little louvers in there. I've never seen that on any other car. They put them little louvers in. Pretty cool idea. So the outside is stunning. I got a lot more stunningness to show you. All right, let's see what the trunk looks like. And not surprised, it looks pristine. Look how it's painted. The latch looks new. The weather strip is replaced. Jams painted real neatly. The entire inside is all clean metal, all painted red. Has a correct mat. Has a red car cover. And then on the fastbacks, this actually opens up into the interior. So if you want to go skiing for the weekend or haul some 2x4s, you can do that. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're getting some amazing cars coming through here. You can also text the word new to 844-592-2431 to be texted when new arrivals show up. Door jambs are real nice and clean. Weather strips are replaced. The inside metal is all repainted. Door panels, armrest, window cranks, handles, that's all new. All this is new and sparkling and fresh. Even the speedometer itself, 842 miles. All the knobs are sparkling. Everything fits right, too. That's important. The heater control panel, the cigarette lighter, has a Mustang retro stereo for fits right in the factory hole. Inside here is pristine. It went through a multi-page inspection. This last page will get filled out when the car leaves. We check it one more time. Kick panels, carpet, pony floor mats, everything's mint. This is how the Ford did their air conditioning. You could actually have the heat on and the air on at the same time. They're two separate systems. It all looks new, but that's how it would have looked. It has the correct shorty console, which all looks new, and the shifter's new. Got some red seat belts up front. The upholstery is excellent. The cushions are redone, nice and firm. Same thing in back, carpet, mats, everything's mint. And check this out. This is about as nice as they get. All the chrome is sparkling, all the plastic trim looks new. Beautiful. And this is why it's called a 2+2. Right now it's a two-seater. And plus two more. That's where 2+2 comes from. New white headliner. Visors, day and night mirror, new deluxe steering wheel. It's a beautiful wheel. That's one you can hang on your office wall. It's that cool. Everything in here looks mint, sparkling, fresh, fits right. Well done. There's a lot of nice stuff underneath that motor compartment. It checks the boxes. It's got a V8, air conditioned, power steering, power brakes. So that's a 289 motor, freshly rebuilt, hopped up the cam a little bit. It's a new billet distributor. I'm sure it's electronic ignition. Hiding underneath there is a 4-barrel carburetor. All nice stock, valve covers, air cleaner, all painted up real nice and clean. Wow, it even has the heat tube that goes all the way down to the exhaust manifold. That tube's always missing. You take the air cleaner off, that falls off, gets left on the bench. All nice, clean, smooth metal. I lied to you, I forgot. It's a Sniper fuel injection under there. It's not a carburetor. I could peek under there. I couldn't identify what kind of carb. That's because it's a Sniper fuel injection. All nice, clean, proper alternator, brackets, pulleys. There's the horns. Nice radiator, fan. All this is really nice. Modern air conditioning. Has the washer fluid bag. People find that pretty cool. There's the little electric pump to squirt the windows. We got power steering. That's an upgraded power brake system because it's a dual reservoir master, very safe compared to the single reservoir. All painted real nice. This is ready to go to a car show. But right now, Michael's ready to take you for a test drive. We'll see you in about 3 minutes.
Everybody, got this really nice cherry 1965 Mustang fastback. It's got the original 289 V8 in it, power steering, power brakes, front disc brakes have been upgraded, C4 transmission. The restoration on this thing is just really nice quality. Supposed to be a really well put together car overall, and so far that's the way it feels. Very bumpy back road here, handling the bumps with ease. Nice quiet ride. It is a chilly day over here in Volo, Illinois, so we do have the heater on. That is working and running nicely. Steering is nice, and it does have the power steering. That is, feels nice and smooth here. And let's see what she's got. Up to speed's no problem. We do have the speedometer is jumping around a little bit. We will have our shop take a look at that. Maybe just a gear or something like that, not totally sure. But overall, the pickup of the car, the drivability of the car is fantastic. Feels great, handles the bumps with ease. Nice, comfortable ride. These seats have all been redone. The padding inside, everything's nice and firm, super comfortable. Just a really, really meticulous restoration on this one. Very nice car overall. Don't forget, you can come and test drive this car yourself if you'd like to. We're about an hour outside of Chicago and about 30-35 minutes outside of O'Hare International Airport. So if you wanted to come fly in, spend the weekend in Chicago, come out, test drive a car, you are more than welcome to do so. Or if you don't have time for all that, you can absolutely hire a third-party inspector if you don't take our word for it in the videos here. So, very classy, nice, well put together Mustang.
So underneath is all real nice as well. Pretty much everything looks fresh and rebuilt. Starting up front, all the steering, suspension components all look brand new. It has lowering springs on it, gives it that nice stance. Upgraded sway bar. Coney gas shocks, or KYB gas shocks all the way around. The rear springs, bushings, shocks, all that looks new. The fuel system's all new. The tank, the sending unit, the lines. Brake system's all been redone, e-brake cables, the lines, the hoses. Up front is upgraded with some SBBC slotted and drilled disc brakes, red calipers. Nice new dual exhaust system, has the H-pipe, nice clean installation. You look up at the motor and transmission, both of them still look spotless. The oil pan, the starter, all that's fresh. It's the C4 automatic trans. Literally, it looks spotless. Rebuilt drive shaft, rebuilt rear end, and it has 355 posi gears in it now. The floors look to be really nice original. The frame rails and the floor pans, all that nice, clean, solid metal, all painted black. This car is just really fresh and detailed throughout. I personally got to see this car before I bought it, and it was one that I was talking about the minute I flew back home. I was excited to see it come in off the transporter. It's one of the exceptional ones. So if you're looking for just a show quality, detailed Mustang with all the nice options that you can go to car shows, go drive and enjoy, this is it. Buy it now button on our website. Go to the website, volocars.com, to talk to the salesman. They'll help wrap it up, answer your questions, how to get it delivered, how to get it financed. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.